Alright, so right here I'm going to show you how to take off one of these little pieces of trim, and really just stick just about anything you can up under there and try to pry it off. But you want to do it even because this right here, I mean, if you couldn't tell, this is rubber right here, and then this right here that somebody painted over used to be chrome. So you want to be kind of careful, because if you do bend it too hard, it will crack. Whatever's protecting that chroming right there, you just want to make sure. You do want to tape off wherever this was so you don't forget where to put it, because then it won't look right when you put it back on there if it ain't back where it's supposed to be. But yeah, I got this one right here. It's one of my favorites. And then I got this one. I use it a whole lot more. It's just a whole lot flatter. It gets in there in spots, especially for the Christmas tree pins. Pulls them right out in the hard places that you can't really get something in there too, especially that big fat thing down there. That yeah, just rip it right off. Look at that. Gotta do some cleaning to that. I'll just throw that in the back over there. Hey, look at that. And that black right there I don't even know. Looks like somebody painted that good, but everything else looks like crap. But yeah, that's all you gotta do right there.